Number 8, here we're looking at the properties. You've been tested on your knowledge of the properties of exponents, how to accurately apply it. Question 8 reads, the product of 2x to the 4th y times 3x to the 5th y to the 8th is equivalent to. So what we're going to do here to get started is we're going to start by reviewing our properties of exponents. Okay, these are the properties of exponents that you must know in order to be able to do well on the ACT. Okay, if you'd like to gain access to all the formulas that you must know for the ACTs, just go to mathgotserved.com and you will see the ACT link there, and there you'll be able to gain access to a downloadable sheet of all the must-know ACT formulas in order to score well on your ACT. Okay, all right, so let's review some properties of exponents that you should know to do well on the exam. The first one is the product property of exponents. If you have the product of two exponents with the same base, x to the m times x to the n, what you do is you add the powers, x to the m plus n. All right, number 2, if you're dividing two exponents of the same base, the rule is you do what? You subtract the powers. Formula 3, the power of a power, if you have a power raised to a power, okay, all you do is you just multiply the powers, x to the m, n. Number 4, the power of a product. If you have the product of two terms raised to a power, the result is you just distribute the power to the product of factors that you have, x to the m, y to the m. Number 5, the nth root property. If you have the mth root of a term, so basically this is the index of your radical, this can be written as x to the 1 over m as a rational exponent. And then lastly, the reciprocal property. If you have x raised to negative m, this is equal to 1 over x to the m. So when you reciprocate, the negativity goes away. Okay? Or if you reciprocate a term, you take the opposite of the exponent. Now, let's go ahead and solve this problem. We have the product here of two exponents, 2x to the 4th y. So we're going to be applying the product property here, okay? All right, so we're going to be using the associative property and commutative property of multiplication to rewrite this so you can see exactly what's going on, all right? So we can regroup at this as 2 times 3. So you multiply the constants, 2 times 3. And then the variables with identical bases, you group them together. So you have x to the 4th times x to the 5th. And then y, this has no power, so it has invisible power of 1 times y to the 8th. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. X to the 4th times x to the 5th is x to the, using the product property of exponents, number 1, 4 plus 5, you add the powers, and then for the y, the same thing, you add the powers, 1 plus 8. Okay, so we're using formula property number 1 here. Let's simplify that. Our final answer will be 6x to the 9th power y to the 9th. All right, so that's how you apply the product property of exponents in multiplying monomials. Appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your preparation for the ACTs, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. If you have any questions, comments, or special requests that will help you do well on the ACT, just place your questions in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to respond. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload videos to our page on a weekly basis, so subscribe so you can get notification of future updates. If you'd like to gain access to a wide variety of support resources to help you pass the ACT, do visit our website at mathgotserved.com, or also take a look at the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.